Hi everybody, my name is Sean O'Kane with Chip Estimate TV and ChipEstimate.com, where we bring you the latest trends and information surrounding semiconductor design and IP. My guest today is Joe Abler. Joe's the Program Manager for Common Platform Ecosystem Enablement with IBM. Thanks for joining us today.
Well, thanks for having me, Sean.
Yeah, it's a great start to the Common Platform 2013. You were at Gary Patton's keynote this morning. Could you share a little bit about what he talked about regarding IBM collaboration going forward?
Yes, yeah. You know, Gary, he always gives a great keynote to open the show. Yeah. I think a lot of participants really look forward to his presentation. He gives a view of the technology landscape and the roadmap going forward, some of the scaling challenges, and more importantly, how we're going to continue scaling into the future. So, he highlighted some of, where we came from, the more recent innovations like high-K metal gate that's now gone into production with 32, 28 nanometer technologies, and really where we're going to next. FinFET technology is coming forward. We're focusing on the 3D era, as he calls it, not just further scaling at the device level, but also 3D packaging and all the way up through the stacks. Right. We've got considerable collaboration activities going on in the FinFET space. There were several test chip tape-outs recently, some with IBM, collaborating with ARM and Cadence. Right. Samsung had some with their partners with Cadence, Synopsys, and Mentor. So really a lot of work with all of our ecosystem partners. The test chips just kind of highlight a culmination of collaboration activities where we're working very early on, optimizing the technology, optimizing the IP, getting the EDA tools ready for the early technology. So that's really a key part of our early development activities with our partners.
Talk a little bit about the technology roadmap in regards to power performance improvements and challenges.
Yes. Well, the big thing coming up in this next step, as I mentioned already, is the FinFET technology, and some of that was shown in some of the further keynotes in the morning. There'll be further highlights this afternoon on really some of the products coming out. Yeah. We quite frankly talked a fair amount about FinFET last year, but at that point in time, probably a lot of participants looked at it and saw this as being out in the horizon. It's really coming up to the doorstep now. So FinFET will give us further scaling, but also another considerable drop in power. Reduced power supply, right. Voltage, and therefore reduced overall power. So that's going to be the near-term advance. And then the other thing in Gary's roadmap, which we'll also have further detail on this afternoon, was some of the future device technologies, silicon nanowire, and then beyond silicon, carbon nanotubes. Some of the innovations coming out of our research collaborations. Yeah.
Perfect. Well, I really appreciate you spending a little bit of time with us, and enjoy the rest of the show. And I thank you so much. Thank Joe Abler with IBM. My name is Sean O'Kane. We'll see you next time on Chip Estimate TV.
Thank you very much. Appreciate being here.
Yeah.